Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Hermosa hair. They sent me this closure wig and I will be installing it with y'all. It did come straight, y'all, and I did end up bleaching the knots. I will be showing how I got this exact look. I do like this hair. It is good quality hair. Let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. So y'all, the wig did come in a orange bag. Inside came 2 wig caps. It also came with a pair of eyelashes, and it also came with a band that you could strap in the inside to make the wig glueless. It's up to you. It's up to your choice. Now I'll be showing y'all how the wig looks before I do anything to it. I did go in and bleach the knots. It was kind of hard to bleach the knots. I do like the hair on this wig, but honestly y'all, the lace could have been better, but it is affordable. But the lace could have been better. The inches was 24. It definitely was longer than the 24, y'all. But I will be installing it with y'all, showing how I got this look. Not only that, it was hard to pluck this lace on this wig. So when I did my baby hairs, I kind of overdid them, but it wasn't nothing that a little makeup couldn't fix. But overall, y'all, I get this probably a 7 out of a 10. It is good quality hair on the wig. You just have to work with the lace.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. Baby, baby, deep, 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 right up to the side of my mountain until
So guys, this is the final look. Everything about this company will be in the description box. You can go shop with Hermosa here. Let them know that I did send you. You also can use my discount codes to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. Yo, I definitely love this hair. It definitely was bomb. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you already haven't. It will be in the description box. You already know the vibes. We want to road to 100K, 50K on the way. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go shop with Hermosa hair.